A new lead messages you on WhatsApp. By the time you've switched to Salesforce to log them, the moment's gone. The Salesforce Mini-CRM brings your lead records right into WhatsApp. Create them, edit them, and log events, tasks, and calls without leaving the chat. Everything syncs to Salesforce the moment you save. Let's walk through it. Open the chat and click the Salesforce icon in the right sidebar. Search Salesforce first to check they're not already there. And if they're not, click Create Lead, fill in your fields, and use Edit to add the properties you need. The lead links to that conversation automatically, and from then on, your chats sync every 3 minutes. The first header under the lead section is the profile section. Click Edit on the contact card, and you can choose exactly which properties appear and mark each required or optional. Click Apply to update the card, edit your fields, then hit Save, and it's in Salesforce in real time. Now that the profile's set, the second header under the lead is Events. Click New Event, complete the fields, and click Save Event. Then, open it in the CRM anytime with View Event on Salesforce. The third header is Tasks, so no follow-up slips through the cracks. Click New Task, add your details, and click Save Task. The three-dot menu lets you edit or delete any of them. And scroll to the bottom of the lead section for call logs. Click Add Call Log, enter the details, and click Save Call Log. Edit or delete it later from that same three-dot menu. That's every lead captured, worked, and logged straight from WhatsApp. Try the Mini-CRM today.